welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually really excited to be filming this. I'm very excited to finally bring it back to the channel and just being able to have the opportunity to have this camera to be able to film this for you guys. I was actually able to film 2 videos and just switch off the batteries and switch off the memory cards and continue filming. It was great. So in this video I want to show you guys flip through of my first ever bullet journal. I will say it's crazy. It's crazy that I kind of went through a bullet journal because it was only half of it. But it was really exciting to be able to kind of, now that I'm more into it, and see what bullet journals are out there and kind of find one that seemed cool to buy. So here is the new one, but we will talk about that one later. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and get into this flip through. It's been a hot minute since we've done a voiceover. This is kind of interesting again. Anyways, so I wanted to do this kind of more like a chit chat and showing you what is going on here, so you could see. This was kind of like, I bought this bullet journal at Michael's, and it was like the half is like kind of already done for you, and then the other half is for you to kind of do it on your own. But I decided to just kind of start doing it on my own. And here is my year at a glance, my year cover. It is Great Gatsby, the Roaring 20s, because we're all so excited to start a new decade and so excited for a new year, but obviously 2020 had different plans for us. So that was exciting. My vision board. I love my vision board, which mostly everything in it has come true. And here it is, January, with the same theme, the Roaring 20s. And Great Gatsby, that quote is from the Great Gatsby movie. So if you see at the beginning, I was really excited to start my bullet journaling. I was really into it. I was putting a lot of time, and then I got a little bit busy and I didn't put as much time. I was really into the making it look like it was really full and putting everything, sleep trackers, water logs, meal preps, weight trackers. Let's not talk about that one. And just kind of figuring out a schedule for everything that I was doing at that time as well. Since the beginning, I feel like 2020 felt like a beginning for a lot of goals of mine. This is February here. So this year I decided to apply for my master's. I decided that I wanted to go back to school, and currently I'm working as an accounting clerk. So I was like, I really enjoy what I'm doing. I think I should probably do that. So I decided to get a master's in accounting, and I got in. So I will be starting August, and I'm really excited at the same time, a little nervous, because with everything that's going on, I'm sure it's going to be different. Not very excited about the online, but let's see how that goes. Here is March. I really love this theme. I love this cover. Came out really cool. And this is also the beginning of my stickers. So this is, if you notice, my first theme for my stickers. Some of these are actually stickers. The doodles are mostly stickers, because I kind of gave up after like day 7 or day 6. I just couldn't. I was doing it every day, and it came out a little hard. I should have done them in advance. And you see there's a little blank stuff because I kind of didn't know what to fill it up and didn't have a lot going on around this time. I hope you guys enjoy these. I don't want to do them just kind of talking to you through the process. I kind of want to do them like little chit chats and just being able to just kind of, hey, how are you? How's it been? Here is April with some really weird suns. That sun just it didn't come out at all how I thought it would. Actually, all the suns, especially those mooch rocker ones. But I did make some stickers that definitely came out a lot better than the suns that I drew on my bullet journal. And here I was just writing, and then it was Earth Day. And a little bit of a blank stuff. I love this. I actually can't believe I drew that. This month, I am excited, and I love this month because of my pen. This is actually what started the whole my pen idea, and how I fell in love with sunflowers. And I was like, oh my god, I've always actually really loved yellow. I never realized how much sunflower meant to me until then. I'm actually thinking of getting a tattoo of a sunflower somewhere in the future. Don't tell my parents. The stickers, I'm in love with these stickers. Honestly, this is probably my favorite sticker sheet that I have, and it made it super easy to kind of keep my theme going and make it like I actually tried in every single one of these pages. And this is June. June actually had no idea what I wanted to do, and I decided to just do some crystals. And so I was like, yeah, it looks cool, good for me. I have actually some crystals, and I think this is my way of kind of adding in the spirituality of mine. I feel like I became kind of a pretty spiritual person 2.5 years or so. It helped me through some very tough times, so something that's very important and very dear to me. It's definitely kind of the little corner where I go when, times get a little rough, so it's important to me. The last one here is July. This one was requested by my sister so much, since it was January. She's like, in July you gotta do Harry Potter. So if you are watching this, yeah, I know. Habit tracker completely gave up on the habit tracker here. The mood one too. And for Harry Potter is actually very easy to draw some of the stuff. I love that weekly spread that I decided to leave it blank. So these are blank as well, and that's pretty much it. We are done with the index. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And if you really enjoyed this video, make sure to click that little notification bell so you could see when the next flip through video is coming up. And this is the next one. I'm excited! So I hope you guys enjoyed this flip through. It was very exciting to do, I guess, my first flip through bullet journaling, and I feel like I've saying that so many times, but I am also very excited to start posting videos about my bullet journal and just showing you guys my process of it, and I will definitely continue to be posting them. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video where we start with this little baby right here. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Lucas, say hi. This is Lucas. Lucas, say hi. It's a very talkative cat. Usually, but doesn't want to talk right now. And say hi. Say hi. No? Can you guys hear him purring? Do you want to say hi? You don't want to say hi? No?